This video is about exercise and the benefits it provides to children with autism. So first, I just wanted to go over what autism is, and autism is a span of conditions characterized by challenges like social skills, repetitive behavior, speech, and nonverbal communication. It's usually diagnosed during childhood and lasts throughout adulthood. Usually, autism is treated with programs that promote communication and cognitive skills, but new research finds that sports, exercise, and other physical activities can be useful and help with behavior and overall quality of life. So just for a little overview, many autistic children don't have exercise as part of their everyday routine. Many people don't believe that it is as beneficial as speech therapy or applied behavioral analysis. Data shows that exercise offers as many benefits as traditional autism therapies plus some. There are many studies that say that exercise improves motor skills and movement along with social skills, academic performance, decreases bad behaviors, and promotes positive behaviors. Studies have shown that aerobic exercise can tremendously decrease negative behaviors like body rocking, hand flapping, head nodding, light staring, and spinning, while not decreasing the positive behaviors. Aerobic exercises like swimming and running are thought to be so beneficial because of their repetitive nature, which distracts the children from their own negative repetitive behavior. For my research study, I chose a study that analyzed if mild or vigorous exercise was more beneficial in reducing the stereotypical repetitive behaviors done by autistic children. And the hypothesis of my study was that vigorous exercise will decrease the stereotypical repetitive behaviors more than mild exercise. It was tested by taking 3 children that had high levels of the stereotypical behavior. First, the children did physical activity like jogging and ball playing, and the jogging was the vigorous exercise and the ball playing was the mild exercise. And they were put in a large open field, and the kids exercised for 15 minutes at a time, and then right after exercising, their levels of stereotypical responding was recorded. And then the children were moved into a small living room that was furnished with couches, chairs, tables, and one adult that the kids didn't know. The room had toys in it for the kids to play with, and the data recorders watched from a different room through a one-way mirror, and this setting was used for the baseline measurements. The results showed that the jogging significantly decreased the stereotypical behavior in children. For example, child 1 on day 1 had a stereotypic responding baseline of 88.75%, and after jogging, that went down to 40%. The ball playing didn't have any trends to it. All of the kids responded differently to that one, whereas with the jogging, everybody's stereotypic responding went down. And so the people's hypothesis was correct. And then here's just a page of my references.